The part where it goes down. Oh, yeah.
That's fine, that's fine. Oh, no, no.
Oh, no.
Let's go. Let's go. We do it once, we can do it.
Cheating.
Oh my God, so sad. My hands are really sweaty.
Hi. I'm scared.
No. Oh my God.
Thanks for your patience. This is the Sledgehammer 360 degrees extreme. We're going to swing you all the way around upside down, so make sure you're hanging on tight.
Watch me.
Enjoy the ride, and I'll see you.
Okay, let's go. It's just starting.
All phones, cameras, arms and legs, stay behind the fences.
Oh, that was so good.
Doesn't get you.
Oh, is it done?
It's so fun.
Oh, that was the best. I want to do it again. Oh.
That's so fun.
Oh, that was good.
I looked last one always halfway.
That was so fun. Chin, did you see me? A little bit, but it was so... Chin, you can do it. It's not scary. Trust me. Moms, it's not scary. It's actually not scary. It's definitely not scary. Yeah, it looks like scary. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again.
I'll do it. It was fun.
It's the best.
That was so fun.
Are you putting a video on YouTube? YouTube?
Yes.
What's your channel?